Welcome to PataMarket seller's journey. To log in as a seller or register, you have to scroll all the way down to the page and click on seller's registration. As well as you'll have to log in from there as well. It's the same for buyers in terms of registration and login. So you click on the seller's registration. It'll lead you to the page where you open the account. So you fill in your details, the business name if it's a registered business, individual seller. And then most important will be the business location is where your current business will be and the pickup location. So once you're done with that, you click on submit and welcome to the dashboard. In the dashboard, two important things: subscription and PataCoins. Our first thing we need is to subscribe. Subscription allows your products to be visible in the marketplace. So you can choose the respective subscription you want from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. And you can view your products. To do that, you need to click on PataCoin. PataCoin can be accessed either through the account page and clicking on PataCoins or clicking on the dashboard directly on PataCoins. PataCoin is worth 50 shillings, so every purchase you have and every coin you've used will be seen over there. So you choose the number of PataCoins you want and click on purchase. You fill in your details, your name, email, phone number, your location, and you pay via card or you can pay via M-Pesa. You will have to wait for 15 seconds as the loading screen. It takes some time to validate your payment. Once successful, you will get a credit of 50 PataCoins available in your account, and you can know how much has been used. So with these PataCoins, what we can do, we can access the packages either through the account page and clicking on packages or clicking on the dashboard directly. As you can see in this part where you have 50 coins already available, you can choose which package which is most suitable for you. So as we click on this one over here, for example, the 30-day package, and as you can see, there is a 10% discount on the first subscription. So you'll just be debited 9 coins instead of 10. 1 coin is for you. Now you go to the dashboard, you can see the subscription and the date it ends. Also, you can see the coins available. To bring the confirmation, we also send you emails regarding the PataCoins you've purchased as well as subscription on your email address. Thank you.